In this video, you'll learn how to deploy your Base44 app. And this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to successfully create and publish. Begin by navigating to the Base44 website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Base44. Once the page loads, you should see the home page with options to create and manage your applications. Next, you will see a prompt that encourages you to describe your app idea. This section will allow you to brainstorm and write down your thoughts. It is useful to take a moment to gather your ideas before proceeding. After that, type in the type of app you want to build. This is where you can specify the functionality or features you envision for your application. A clear idea will help you during the development process. Once you have your concept, click on the Ideas button to explore available templates. This action will present you with a variety of pre-designed app ideas that can serve as a foundation for your project. If you find a template that interests you, click on Choose an Idea to select it. This selection will guide you to the next steps in the app creation process. Now, you will be presented with different ideas that suit your preferences. Click on any idea that resonates with you. This step allows you to further narrow down your choices. Next, click on Enter, for example, to start building your app. This action will transition you to the app building interface where you can customize your application. After entering the app building interface, select Explore Templates from the community. This option will provide you with access to templates created by other users, expanding your options. Then click on View All Templates to see the complete list of available templates. This step allows for a thorough review of your options, ensuring you find the right fit for your needs. Once you find a template you would like to use, click on View Details. This will give you more information about the selected template, including its features and functionalities. Next, click on Use Template to proceed with the chosen design. This action will initiate the application creation process based on the template you've selected. At this point, your app will be created from the template of your choosing. Take a moment to review the interface and ensure everything is in order before moving forward. Finally, click on Publish to make your app live. This step is crucial as it will allow users to access your application. Keep in mind that the publishing process may take some time, depending on the complexity of your app and the current server load. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.